Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy Korean egg sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and 1 slice of cheese. Also, have a small amount of butter or cooking oil ready for your pan, along with some salt and pepper for seasoning. This simple method will have you enjoying a delicious breakfast in minutes. Now let's get cooking. Crack your 2 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, then whisk them well. Next, melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, pour in your egg mixture. Let it cook for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. It's time to build our sandwich. Carefully place 1 slice of bread directly onto the partially cooked eggs in the pan. After about 30 seconds, use a spatula to flip the entire egg and bread combination. Cook this side for approximately 1 minute. Then, quickly add your slice of cheese and the second slice of bread on top of the egg. Almost done. Fold the excess egg from the sides over the bread, creating a neat package. Continue cooking for another minute or 2, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. Remove your delicious Korean egg sandwich from the pan, slice it in half, and serve immediately. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your easy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.